Hello everybody, 2000 Trains here, and today we're at London Liverpool Street, terminus of the Great Eastern Main Line, plus the convergence of what other line is there? The Greater Anglia Main Line, which goes through Bishop Stratford, Harlow Mill, and there's a branch off to Stansted Airport. I know that for sure, because it's a triangular section, so Illuminati confirmed, if you can say that. And then it goes further up to Cambridge. So, enough of me waffling. You're here to hear the 321 sing again, because I assume you've watched the video of the journey from Stratford, as the doors are closing. Bouncing away. And compressor are ready, all set, everything's calm, and we're off to go. And the motors are singing right now. And that door should be closed. In fact, let me get up and close it. There we are. Hopefully that door shouldn't open up again. Another 321 in the tunnel. One of the old school units. So after that train has made its own dubstep. Oh bugger. I can breathe now, and the motors are singing now, gloriously. I wonder if we're gonna go at some good speed. Some gentle plucking of the joints, as we have the Stansted Angel. That's the nickname for those 379s. The Stansted Angels as we pass through Bethnal Green, not the Bethnal Green for the Central Line, but Bethnal Green as a separate station for the Overground, and formerly Greater Anglia. Before that, National Express. And as we depart from the junction, we're now picking up some speed. And let me tell you this, any train manufacturer who's watching this video, this is what you call a train. Beautiful sounding and at one with the rails. This is what you call a good train. Should always be at one with the rails. I mean, look at how fast it's going. No bouncing up and down like some other trains. It's just at one with the rails. And the result is a relaxing ride. as we have a 345 event truck bound for London Liverpool Street, which I came from. We have another 321. Actually, a 745, so the bunny train. I need to think of a better nickname apart from the bunny train, because the bunny train just sounds silly. We're passing through the residential areas of Mile End. We're converging with the C2C service as well as the Docklands line, and I should move over here so we can gauge a view of Queen Elizabeth Park. In the distance there is Wembley Stadium. No, Wembley Stadium, lol. No. Sod it. Let me say again. So we have the stadium there, where the Olympics took place in 2012. We have the Queen Elizabeth Tower, I think that's what the name is, and plenty of new buildings. So with all that done, we should leave the video here. Thank you guys for watching this video, it's greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you've seen today, then please like and subscribe and hit the notification button to keep up to date with the content that I'll be uploading. So 321s, they never disappoint. Always at one with the rails, no jerking from side to side at some decent speed. It's impressive. So as we get closer into Stratford, I should conclude the video. Not to mention the fact that when it goes over a point or a set joint, when it goes over a set of points or joints, the train doesn't really react as much. Some other trains you really feel the stomp, but this one you really don't feel it. So I'm impressed. In the distance there is a DLR train bound for Canary Wharf. Don't ask me how I know that, I just know it because I've lived in London for 5-6 years. And here we are at Stratford Regional Station. So like I said, like, subscribe, hit the notification button and more videos. So as the train comes to a beautiful stop, time to say goodbye. Peace out guys and take care. So I'll tell you which unit it was. The unit that took me here was 321347. There you go. Peace out.